Hi everyone, Arthi here from Team Disco, and today I'll be walking you through our AI curriculum generator. To generate a course with AI, you can navigate to any of the areas in the platform where you can create a new product. So here I'm in our Learning tab where we have all of our labeled courses. I'm going to go in and hover over the plus here. Here I'm going to select Add Product, and once I've selected this, I have a number of templates I can choose from. For the purpose of the demo, I'm going to select Self-Paced Course. Title. You can select your badge or icon and add a short description. You can also customize the level of access for the product. Here I'm just going to select all members and skip the description for the purpose of the demo. Once you hit Save as Draft, the course will get saved and your Build Your Curriculum with AI pop-up will appear. If you'd like to build your modules manually, you can skip this step and then go ahead and do that. But I'm going to select Generate Curriculum in this case, and our prompt modal will pop up. Here you have the ability to paste or write your prompt in the text box, which I have a prompt pre-written, so I'm going to paste that in. And then you also have the ability to attach media, attach content that you've authored in Disco. So you can upload video files or PDFs. You can attach anything that has been authored in Disco. You can upload files, so we permit PDFs and video files to MP4s, or you can add a link as well. You can also choose whether you want the curriculum generator to search the web. That can be toggled on or off, as well as if you wanted to use community context. So in this case, I'm going to turn off web search and use community context. I have a file that I would like to use for this curriculum, so I've gone ahead and uploaded that. And now we're ready to build. So we're going to hit the plus arrow here. And once you hit it, our AI curriculum generator begins working in the backend. So it will review your prompt, all the sources that you uploaded, and it will create a curriculum preview for you here. So this will take a couple of minutes. I'm just going to pause the video and come back when our preview is done. Now, one thing to note with the prompt is that you can get as specific as you would like. For instance, you can include things like the level of the learner understanding, how many modules you would like, how many quizzes and assignments, if you'd like quizzes in each module, as well as context on the title of the course, the modules, the lessons, the topics. So you can get really, really specific, as well as provide instructions on the actual structure of the course font. Also, the more sources you have, the more context it'll have, and it will then generate the course based off of that source content and context. So you can upload multiple sources, and you can go back and forth with our prompt box down here with follow-on prompts, follow-on sources. So all of those options for attachment of sources still exist here as well. So each time that you provide additional information or additional sources, it will regenerate the preview so that the output is much more aligned with your ideal end result. So it's been a few minutes and we are back and we have our curriculum preview ready here. So at the top, it tells us the total number of modules, lessons, assignments, and quizzes in the course. As I mentioned, you can go back and forth with follow-on prompts and sources here, but you can also hover and edit the entire modules, as well as independent items like lessons and assignments if the output is not aligned with your expectation. You can also delete them entirely from here as well. So for each lesson, module, quiz, assignment, you have an overview that details the exact content that will be built out in each of these. I'm satisfied with this output, so I'm going to go ahead and hit generate. And in a few minutes, we'll come back and we'll have our course fully ready. So we're going to go generate, and it's going to open up and build in the backend. While this happens, you can click out and go into other parts of your Disco community to continue building so that you aren't here waiting. You will be notified via email once the curriculum has been generated. So this will take a couple of minutes and we'll be back when it's done. It's been a few minutes and we are back. So as you can see, we have a really robust curriculum created here. So if we click into the modules, you have a welcome module by default with a task that prompts you to complete your profile. And then we go into the actual welcome module with the content. So it is very robust in terms of an overview. You have the labels populated. It's created the assignment with the full submission window as well. You can see it's also gone ahead and in module 1 created a quiz and created quiz questions with correct answers pre-populated based on the content of the module as well as the prompts that we've given it. And I have a final capstone project that it's created for me as well with a submission. You can also see that by default, the AI time estimates for completion of each module are turned on, so learners have a general idea of how long each module will take them so that they can plan their time better. And just like that, within a few minutes, we have a fully generated learning program in Disco using our AI curriculum generator. So this tool can serve as a really amazing starting point to then go in and make edits to your course to upload your custom video content or embeds so that you can publish and get your learning products live in time than before. So I hope you enjoyed this walkthrough. If you have any questions, you can reach out to our team, and we can't wait for you to play around with the AI curriculum generator yourself. Okay, thanks so much for watching and have an amazing rest of your day. Bye.